Assalamu alaikum. Dear learners, in our previous video we have created mailbox database in Exchange 2016. Today we will learn about moving mailbox to another database in Exchange 2016. We can store a mailbox in a particular database file. Suppose we want to store all the data of our IT department in a customized database. Let's see how it's done practically. We are logging in our Exchange Admin Center. Continue to this website. Let's add some users in user mailbox, browse and code 1, code 2 and code 3. Browse, code 2. Again browse and select code 3. Okay. Here are 3 users, code 1, code 2, code 3. Let's find out which database is used for code 1 user. Click edit, more options. We can see the mailbox name for core 1 user. It is in a default mailbox. We can check it from Exchange Management Shell. Connected to lab.macro.com. The command is get dash mailbox identity user core 1 space pipe symbol FL file list space database. Click enter. It is in our default database folder, mailbox database 0570907474. Now we want to move core 1, core 2 and core 3 from default database to IT department database. We have 4 database here, DB1, DB03, IT department and the default database. We just want to move core 1 and core 2 and core 3 transfer to IT department database. We can also check the existed user list of a database file, like we can here check IT department has any users. The command is get mailbox database space IT department. Code 3 is already in IT department database. We can see here that code 3 is in IT department database. We have to transfer core 1 and core 2. Let's see the process. Select core 1, move to mailbox to another database, select it, new migration batch name, put migration batch name, core 1, move to IT department. The name is your wish. Add IT department. Okay. Next, we will select manually start the batch later. I will start the process. New. Do you want to go to migration database to see the status of your migration batch? Yes. We can check the process in migration. We have to start the process. Starting, the status is now starting mode. Let's wait for a while. It will take some time. We know the total mail system and user data will be stored in the database. Database is an important issue for mail server. The process will take some time. The process is done. Core 1 is transferred to IT department database. Before it was in default database, now it is in IT department database. You can also transfer multiple users to another databases. Click in plus, move to a different database, plus symbol, click, select the users, user 1, user 2 and James user. Click OK. You can also specify the users with the CSV file. Click next. Migration batch name, bulk moved. Select the database, IT department, add. OK. Next, select manually. You can start from here. If the process is completed, the status will be completed. It will take more time. We can also see the log report, view details. Download the report for this user. This is the log report. Learners, this is the process to transfer mailbox. Thank you all.